In this video, let's take a look at how we can add some closed caption text to our Viewlet project. Select the slide where you want to add this feature, then insert the closed caption element. The layer will come in along the timeline locked by default. If you need to modify this layer, go ahead and unlock it and then select the element. For example, we can move the text and its position up on the slide itself. We can resize its container, and we have other options along the second level toolbar to work with. For example, let's go ahead and we'll just make a change to the color of the text here. You can play around and modify it as you need. Once you do, however, we recommend that you go ahead and lock the layer again. The next thing you need to do is work with your sound file. In this example, we're going to go ahead and insert a new sound file. So we'll go ahead and open up the Insert Sound dialog, where we can actually load a sound file or record one. We're going to go ahead and record one now. This lighthouse was built in the 1800s. Once you have your sound file loaded in this dialog, you can go ahead and then add the closed caption text. So we'll go ahead and do that now. And once you've added your caption, simply click OK and you'll see the details of it here, and then click OK. Now, nothing happened when we return to this slide. We still see the original default text. Now, why is that? That's because right now we're not in what's called time select mode, we're in slide select mode. In order to see the actual text that we just created, we need to click along the timeline where the sound file is to display the playhead, and then you'll see the text for the closed caption text, which will display as long as the sound file is playing along the timeline. Watch as we scrub the timeline, and once the sound is done, the closed caption goes away. So that's the basics of adding closed caption to your Viewlet project. Again, play around with what you've just learned and do what works for you. That's it for this topic. If you have any questions on any of Carbon's products and services, please visit us online at www.carbon.com. Happy Viewleting!